So it's a miserable, wet, rainy day today, but it's bright inside the shop thanks to my new shop lights. So these little boxes I just made from scraps that were left over from a couple of other projects that I made a couple of months ago. I just glued them up, left them on the shelf for a few months until I was ready to do something with them. I'm not quite sure what I'll do with these. The finishing isn't all that great. They will probably just be gifts for friends. I was pretty liberal applying the oil to this because that oil I've used a few times in the past. I don't necessarily like it, but it feels wrong just throwing it out. So I'm trying to use it up. The major problem with these lights is they kind of mess with the exposure on the camera where they leave these horizontal lines. Other people have mentioned it to me as well where they have the same problem. I was messing around with the exposure settings in the camera to try to alleviate that problem. So that's it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope you keep tuning in to Cammy's Garage.